We have purchased 5,200, and we're very pleased and proud that we're able to distribute these kits to individual classrooms in order for teachers to have this kit available should a bleeding emergency occur. It's not part of the requirement. This is above and beyond. It's a two-phase series that Round Rock is involved in right now. Our first phase was to recognize that we want to put an individual kit in each classroom. The second phase, which we're in the process of obtaining right now, is individual bleeding control stations. The stations will contain 8 to 10 of these individual kits in an enclosed box that'll be affixed to the cement walls, and those kits will be strategically and easily accessible areas throughout the campuses.
I think we need it because we are more prepared to when we have situations where bleeding is occurring, and we know how to take care of it. I feel more safe myself, and I feel more capable of helping somebody to survive.
Bleeding is the #1 preventable cause of death after a life-threatening hemorrhage. So we want to get these kits out to the classrooms and to the buses and to the areas of the schools where they would be needed if there was a traumatic event.
When you think about what our buses do every day, our top priority is taking our students to and from school in the safest way possible. We're on 35, we are on some of the busiest roads in actually the state of Texas at times. And we never want it to happen, and we pray that it never does, but if we had an accident and we had children severely hurt, we could save a life.
These type of events that are happening around the country, the data is showing that people are bleeding to death when it's so preventable. There's something that people can do, but the EMS workers aren't able to get into the scene and help those people because they're trying to secure the scene, not knowing what the situation is like inside the building. So we're trying to arm our staff and our students with the information that they could use to help inside the building, help save our own while we're waiting for advanced care to arrive.